David slid into home base, cheering with his team, but noticed a fresh scrape on his knee. He cleaned it up and put on a cool cartoon bandage, but he couldn't stop thinking. He looked closely at the scrape and wondered out loud, "How do my scraped knees know how to heal themselves and make new skin?" Suddenly, a tiny figure in a lab coat, perched on the edge of his bandage, cleared his throat. "An excellent question, David. I am Professor Cell, and your body is my laboratory. The moment you got that scrape, your body sent out an emergency signal. Tiny helpers in your blood, called platelets, rushed to the spot and clumped together to form a plug, which you know as a scab. This is the first step, building a protective shield." Underneath that scab shield, a cleanup crew of white blood cells arrives to fight off any nasty germs, the professor continued, adjusting his tiny glasses. Once the area is safe, the construction crew gets to work. Special cells start building a new framework of collagen, like the frame of a house. Then, your amazing skin cells begin to multiply and crawl across that framework, weaving together to create a brand new, perfect layer of skin. So your knee knows exactly how to heal, because every cell in your body has a special instruction book called DNA. This book tells the platelets to form a scab, the white blood cells to clean up, and the skin cells to build a new layer. It's not magic, but a perfectly planned scientific mission that your amazing body performs every single time.